two slits in Young's experiment have width in the ratio 1:25. The ratio of intensity at the maxima and minima in the interference pattern, that is I max by I minimum, is we need to find here. Okay, the intensity is directly proportional to the width of the slit. We know that one. Thus, we have, that is I1 by I2 is equal to 1 by 25. Or equivalently, we can write this one as A1 by A2 is equal to under root of I1 by I2, which leads to, that is A2 is equal to 5 times A1. Okay. Now, the ratio of the maximum to minimum intensity can be expressed as, that is I max divided by I minimum is equal to, that is A1 plus A2 whole square divided by A1 minus A2 whole square, which is equal to, that is A1 plus 5 times A1 whole square, which is whole divided by A1 minus 5A1 whole square. This is nothing but 6A1, that is equal to 36, and this becomes a 4, that is 16. If I want to cancel this one with the help of the 4 table, I am getting the answer 9 by 4. That is I max by I minimum is equal to 9 by 4 is the ratio. That is option D is the right answer.